So we very recently published the new State of the Nation report by the National Lung Cancer Audit. This covers patients diagnosed in 2021 in England and 2020 and 2021 in Wales. So there was a couple of key findings. So the first thing to say is that during the COVID-19 pandemic, the incidence of lung cancer fell, but a bit of good news where it's recovered back to pre-pandemic levels in 2021 in England and Wales. Some other key metrics have also improved in England. So some of the curative treatment rates are back up to pre-pandemic levels, and some of the systemic treatment rates are also back to the pre-pandemic state. However, there are a couple of caveats. So the surgical resection rate has not returned to 2019 data, and our emergency presentation rate still remains very high at 35%. So prior to the pandemic was around 31%, went up in 2020 as we might expect to 35, but unfortunately has still remained where it is. So some evidence of recovery in England from the pandemic, but clearly still work to be done. When we look at the Wales data, we see again a big impact from the COVID-19 pandemic in 2020, and perhaps slightly less of a recovery in terms of treatment rates in Wales. So clearly this data provides trusts and providers with important information to start making changes and understanding the data at a local level.